We got a cool project for you today. We're changing out our faucet that came with our house with the motion activated one we bought from Home Depot. And this faucet's about $250. Comes with an electronic controller. You got to buy some batteries for it, but it's actually an easy install. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing we're going to do is shut off the water supply to the hot and cold, and then we're going to continue with our project. So before we install the faucet, we're going to put in the silicone gasket. This is actually going to go between the faucet and our granite countertop. Then they also give you a metal washer and a rubber gasket. And underneath, these are going to go, this is going to go first. Actually, the rubber's going to go first, then the metal, and then the nut that they give you. So we're going to tighten the nut down as much as we can, and then use these two screws to tighten it even more. And that's going to be the fastening of the faucet. We put on the back of the controller is Scotch double-sided tape. The reason why we did that is because it's just easier to then mount it to the cabinet, stick it to the cabinet, and then put your screws in. It's not sliding it down. Our motion activated faucet is completely installed. I'll show you how it works. We leave the handle completely on, and all we have to do is wave our hand to turn the water on, wave it again, turn it off. Also, the pull-out sprayer also activates the water. Let's see how convenient this faucet is. Thanks for watching this project.